Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Runaway Bay. And we are going to show you two gas stations that are under construction in Runaway Bay. I'm not sure what station this one is, but on the right they are building a gas station. It has a purple awning, so to speak, at the top, and I'm not sure which gas station that is. Definitely not one of the big ones like Total or Rubis or Texaco. So if anybody knows what station is going there, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. But further down now, they're building a massive Total Energies gas station. And they are actually building a plaza along with, I shouldn't say plaza, a commercial structure. Probably a plaza along with the gas station. So we're going to pull over here and show you the Total. And it looks like it's advanced, so it should finish soon. So there you can see the gas station, and that's the structure behind it. Looks commercial. Now, Runaway Bay is on the north coast of Jamaica. It's between Ocho Rios and Discovery Bay. And it has a lot of developments taking place. Palm Beach Villas, a massive development is being done. It's close to being finished. We actually have videos up on it. Royal just bought out a hotel and is in the process of renovating it. And Proven is actually putting up some massive villas, Bahari, in Runaway Bay. So outside of Ocho Rios and Draxall, Runaway Bay is probably the busiest place on the north coast in terms of developments. Because you have St. Anne's Bay and Brownstown, which are very busy places, but those are more like town centers. But in terms of hotels and developments, those kind of things, villas, residential units, this is the place. And they actually plan to expand this road and build a second road, which is a highway to bypass or to go by Runaway Bay. So the Highway 2000 that goes from Kingston to Miami Bay is being extended to Trelawney. So that will be a 4-lane highway which is a toll road. But in addition to that, they plan to expand. I'm not sure if they're going to expand this road or build a bypass, but this road is slated for expansion. Originally, they were to build a bypass, but since they announced the building of the highway, I'm not sure if they're going to build the bypass or just expand this road. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.